Hey everyone, here's a update on the so-called hardy rosemary. Not looking too good. The variety of this one was hill hardy, so it was looking pretty good, but once the temperature started warming up, this thing totally browned out pretty quick. Our low temperature was minus 11.3 Fahrenheit, which is about minus 24 centigrade. But we had a good foot and a half, 20 inches of snow on the ground. So only the tops were exposed during that snow event. So the lowest temperature before that was probably only minus 4 or minus 2-ish. You know, especially these lower ones, I was thinking they would be green, covered in snow, but it didn't survive. I mean, I was hoping this would be a hardy rosemary. If there's any other hardy types out there I should be trying here in Zone 6, Massachusetts, let me know. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.